Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hobbies Finder with another new video. In today's video I will be sharing with you one of my best experience of making the veg tandoor or veg barbecue using charcoal barbecue griller. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please do hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Without wasting much time, let's start the video. So friends, thanks for watching this video till the end. We actually enjoyed the food a lot. It was a great experience having barbecue in a rainy evening. Although lighting the charcoal was a difficult task for us, but The end result was mm, amazing and made us forget everything. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please do hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Until then, stay safe, stay connected, keep watching Hobbies Finder.